Okay, class. So we will continue using GeoGebra. Now for your second assignment, this example that I'm about to do is for your second assignment. Okay. So we will continue with the compositions, and it says dilate the triangle by a scale factor of 2 about the origin, and then reflect over the y-axis. What will be the coordinate of C, new C? Okay, so once again, step 1, you grab a piece of paper, you write the coordinates of the triangle. After you write the coordinates of the triangle, then you will go to GeoGebra, okay? Once we're in GeoGebra, we will draw the triangle, okay? We will draw the triangle. Let me move the screen a little bit more to the left. Okay, give me a second. I am almost done. Okay, there we go. So now what I would do is I will go to the little triangle and go to polygons, just like on the last problem, okay? I'm going to go ahead and take the coordinates and I will draw them. 1, 2, 3, and close the polygon. There we go. So there is my new there is my triangle ABC. Okay, so step 1, let me go back to the problem to make sure that I do not make mistakes. The problem was telling me to dilate by a scale factor of 2. So that's exactly what I would do. Let me go ahead and go back to back where I was. There it is. So now what I must do is, if I remember correctly, because even I make mistakes sometimes, is I select the arrow and then I touch anywhere in the triangle. Okay? No, actually, no, I'm wrong. Forget that. Let me go ahead and go to point A. I need to select the point because it did say about the origin. So I need to put a point on the origin. So now I go back to the arrow, like I had told you before, and I hit somewhere in the triangle. Just hit somewhere in the triangle. After you do that, you will go to this and you will dilate about a point and you will select the origin. Okay, and it didn't do it. Why? I don't know, but let's do it again. Okay, we select the triangle, we go dilate it from a point, and we select the origin. There you go. Now it did it. I guess I took too long the first time. But then the scale factor was 2, so I select 2. Okay, there it is. There is my new ABC, my new triangle. So now, after I've dilated already, now it is telling me to reflect over the y-axis. Reflect over the y-axis. Okay? So now, remember the y-axis is, let me take a screenshot to remind you what the y-axis is. Okay? This is the y-axis. So it will reflect on the y-axis. So now, let me go back to GeoGebra, and what I must do is I must draw a line on the y-axis. So you go here and you will select line, okay? And let me begin with from the top, and I will simply draw a line. There we go. You just hit any 2 points on the line and it will draw a line, okay? Again, any 2 points on that line and it will draw a solid line through the y-axis. So now what I must do is back to the arrow, select my new triangle, okay? Then, hopefully it'll work this time, I am going to go here and I will reflect about a line. So once I hit that, I hit on the y-axis, on that line that I drew there, okay? I hit on it, it's not reflecting. Okay, let me try again. Oh, there it is. Okay, so what I had missed is I had to touch the triangle. Okay, so I had to touch the triangle at the end. But there it is. So that's my reflection. So basically this is reflecting on the y-axis. It's like a mirror, it reflected on it. So let me take a screenshot of this. Okay, and let me go back to the question. The question was telling me what is the coordinate of new C? So let me go back to here. Here is my new C. Okay, my new C. So then what you're going to do is you're going to give me that coordinate. That coordinate is -4, comma, 1, 2, 3, 4. -4 up 4. So that is my new C. Okay, so that'll be the answer. So any question that you have, class, feel free to email your teachers, okay? Whoever your teacher is, if it's me or somebody else. Thank you so much.